All right, let's go back to our website, and now let's click to the dashboard. And the first thing we need to do is actually make a page which is going to hold all of this content. We're going to make a blog page after that, but for now it's all about the home page. And in order to have a good home page, we just need a new page called home. So let's hover on pages, add new, X out of this notification, and we're just going to call this page home and publish it, and publish. We can also create our blog page to get that out of the way. Let's just click add new on the left. And of course, this one's going to be called blog and publish. Publish. So now we need to choose where these pages go on our theme. And if we hover on settings, reading, there's two perfect places for those two pages. All you need to do is check your homepage displays a static page instead of your latest blog post. So we're basically making this website not a blog anymore. We're making a website with a static page, and that static page on the home page is going to be home. And the post page where the blog is going to go is going to be blog. And save it. So now when we click to our front end, we'll see that we just have a home page here and not a blog post. And basically we can start filling it in. Great job. So you might think it's impossible that we make a page like this with all this white space look like a page like this with all this amazingly cool content, but I'm here to show you it's all possible right now.